The Fox and the Good Word. This is Fira. Fira is a small, quiet fox. She loves the green forest, but she does not like to speak. Jump! This is Squeak. Squeak is a fast, loud squirrel. He jumps down from a high branch. "Hello, Fira," he says. Squeak asks a simple question. "Play, Fira, yes or no?" Fira wants to say yes, but the word stays in her mouth. She is too shy. Squeak does not wait for a word. He gives Fira a tiny yellow mushroom. "It is a nice gift," he whispers. Fira knows the secret. The acorn is near the big gray rock. She points with her nose. Fira opens her mouth and says her first word, "rock." Squeak runs fast. He finds the blue acorn by the rock. Thank you, Fira," he shouts, very happy. Professor Oliver the Owl sees it all. He flies down slowly. He looks at Fira. He gives a quiet, slow nod. Good. One word is a good start. Fira feels strong. She looks at her new friend, Squeak. She takes a deep breath and says, "I can play now." One small word, then 3 words. Fira and Squeak play together. Simple words make the best and biggest friendship.